Come and cook with Nene the Chef. Let's learn fun recipes and fall in love with cooking.
Nene, what are you doing? It's a great channel, Nene. We used to look at every day. But Nene, guess what? Our channel is about to start. Come to the kitchen. Hi, guys. Hi, Nene.
Hey, Mom.
Hi, friends. Welcome to our channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we have a special friends.
Talk to me here.
Count with Nene. How many friends do we have?
1, 2, 3,
Good. We have 13 friends that come today to our channel to learn how to cook a special recipe. Okay? But guess, Nene, I am not going to tell you the name, and I am not going to tell the kids the name until you, friends, Nene, and the kids think what we need for this recipe. We need something like this yummy, yummy, yummy. It's brown, and most of the kids and people love it. Crayon! No, it's not a crayon. Nene Hankai, no. A bear? Do you think, kids, that we need a bear? That is, the bear is yummy. No. What do you think that is yummy? Brown, and most of the kids love it. Chocolate. And guess what? We are going to cook today raspberry chocolate muffins. Show the kids the raspberries, Nene.
Okay.
You are going to show the kids the ingredients, okay? What's that, Nene? What are these things doing here? We don't need flaming hot onion to make the chocolate raspberry muffin. You were thinking that you were thinking that they're red, and this is red, and you were thinking that it can be in the muffin. Yes? No, Nene. Okay, show the kids. Come here. We need raspberries. Where are the raspberries, Nene? We need cocoa powder. Yeah, you love the chocolate. Yes, I know. It's your favorite. Then, monk fruit or sugar, wherever is better for you guys. Next, we need almond milk or normal milk. What is it? Almond milk. Then we need butter. We need butter. Baking powder. Baking soda, what is it? Yes. Then the vanilla. Vanilla. Yes. And we are going to use oat flour, okay? You can use regular flour. And how you can make the oat flour? You put the oats in the blender and turn on the blender until it feels like a flour, okay? It's like a sand, okay? I forgot one thing. Two things, yeah? Salt and 2 eggs. But Nene, what is the first thing that we need to do before cooking? Let's go to wash our hands. Let's go. Okay, we are here. And what's the second thing? What's the second thing that we need to do before cooking? Turn on the oven. Yeah, we forgot one time. Yes, but it's good that you turn the oven before, because you can preheat the oven, okay? Okay, I'm going to turn on the oven. Kids, you cannot turn on the oven. You need to have the supervision and authorization of your mom and dad. And your mom and dad need to help you to turn on the oven. Nene is an oven. Nene is an oven. 55. Okay, my oven is ready. Oh no, it was Nene. Nene, we are going to stir all the dry ingredients in this bowl, okay? What is a dry ingredient? The flour, yes. You are going to put in here 2 cups of oat flour. Hannah, okay. What is the next ingredient that is dry? Yeah, baking powder. 1 teaspoon and a half, so you need 2 teaspoons. One that says 1 teaspoon and one that says half, okay? This is a teaspoon? No, it's a small one.
No, deep.
1 teaspoon and then half. Half is 1 and number 2. Where is it?
2.
Okay.
I'm on a teaspoon, Mama.
It's half. His name is half. Okay. 1 and 2 is half. Okay. Yes. I'm going to add the baking soda.
It is there. Oh no. It is there. Hey.
And you will put 1 teaspoon. The teaspoon. Good job, Nene. There. Good job. Nene, you need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Quart is 1 and 4. Quart is 1 and 4. Okay. Half is 1 and 2. Quart is 1 and 4. Good job, Nene. And you are going to mix everything carefully. Carefully. If not, it's going to go. Everything goes out. Yeah, and then we are going to sneeze.
Yeah, nobody.
Yeah, no.
No.
Next step, Nene. You are going to put the butter. What is the butter? 1 stick of butter that is a half.
2.
Is 1 stick of butter that is a half a cup. Okay. Put it there.
Yeah.
Soften butter. We are going to use, Nene, half cup of monk fruit. But if you kids are going to put regular sugar, you need to put 1 cup of regular sugar. Okay. Half. Good. You are going to put it in the electric mixer machine, okay? Until the butter and the sugar are fluffy, okay? So lean.
Yeah.
It's almost ready, Nene. Again, but today is not taekwondo. Today we are cooking. Nene, but you can tell the kids and this taekwondo, Nene, that in this Saturday you are going to have your belt testing for the yellow belt, Nene. And a good friend of Nene that her name is, what is her name? Meg is going to test with him. Both are going to win. Both are going to win the yellow belt. Say hi to Meg, Nene. Hi, Meg. Oh, say bye-bye. We are cooking. Is Nene the chef and friends program? No, Nene the taekwondo program. Okay, we just have the butter here. And what you are going to put right now is one egg and then the second egg here. Wait. First one egg and we are going to put it in the mixer and then the other egg, okay? So the eggs can mix very well, okay? Put it here. And remember kids, if you use a machine in the kitchen, you need to have the authorization and the supervision of an adult, okay? Nene, turn on in number 4. Put it more. Yes. Okay, Nene, add the second egg.
Oh no,
Oh. Put it here in the mixer. Turn on at 4. And go to the trash can to put that. That's like a mixer machine. And the next step, Nene, the vanilla. Ah, are you dizzy?
Yeah.
Oh no. Next step, the vanilla. Come here. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Put it there. No, you. The vanilla.
Next.
And mix again. Number 4 again. 4. No. 4. You are going to add the flour. Add the flour. Carefully. And the milk. Need half cup of milk. Took your half cup. Remember, half is 1 and 2. Put it. We need 1/4 cup of cocoa, okay? We are going to put there the cocoa. Good job. Next step, you are going to add here the raspberries. Oh, no, all the raspberries like this. We need a half cup of raspberries, okay? And you are going to mix like this. Yes. This is how it looks. Raspberries with the butter, okay? I am going to turn the number 100. 1,000. 1 million. Good. Is that good? Yummy. Nene? Count with Nene? Yes. You are going to put 12 of these paper cupcakes in a cupcake pan, okay? Hannah. With an ice cream spoon, okay, you are going to put I am going to show you and the kids how you are going to do it, okay? You are going to have a cup, a spoon of this one, and you are going to drop 1. We just have muffins here, but before we put it in the oven, you are going to put 1 chocolate in each one. One like this. Like this. Like this. I am going to put this in the oven and you are going to help me to open the door. The oven. And wait. Yeah. I'm going to put it for 35 minutes. What is the number 35? 3 and a 5. Yes, Nene. Good job. Nene, it's time to clean up the kitchen. Clean up. Okay, Nene, we need to wait 35 minutes. But kids, don't forget to thumbs up, and subscribe. The chocolate raspberry muffins are ready, Nene. But I forgot one thing, okay? When you use regular flour, it's 35 minutes. If you are going to use oat flour, it's 15 minutes, okay? But it depends on your oven. the proof when a cupcake or a cake or a muffin is ready, you can have a stick, Nene, show the kids, and you are going to put it in a cupcake. And if you don't have nothing in your stick, the cake, the muffin, or the cupcake are ready, okay? Nene, this video is finished. Say thanks to your friends that come to visit our channel. And then say bye to the kids that see your program. Thumbs up and subscribe.
Thank you for watching.